Hello, do you know I've actually been uploading videos to this channel without doing the right thing? Like without introducing myself to you. This is bad. Yeah, so just see this video as me introducing myself and telling you my goals and intentions, right? Um, okay, this channel was actually created for you. Let's get more serious here, right? I am Grace Oba-Ogbonna and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, right? So I can't I don't know why I'm laughing. If you're a beginner forex trader looking to gain further basic knowledge in the forex industry, or you're an intermediate to an experienced trader looking to gain further insight, then this channel was created for you. Yes, I created it with you in mind, right? Yes, because I'll be giving room for discussion, comment, interactive sections, right? Through several educational videos. Yes, currency pairs and section discussion, life analysis, strategies, all right? And also, I'll also be using the opportunity to share with you what I've learned as regard my forex trading journey, right? So it's going to be a win-win for everybody, as my main goal of creating this channel is to helping you trade confidently, right? So expect real talks, practical tips, life analysis, strategies that works in the real market situation. Now, I'm asking you for one thing: subscribe to this YouTube channel, right? Subscribe to this growing community of forex trader, all right? As the goal of actually creating the channel is to turn knowledge into profit, right? So click on the subscription button, turn on notification, and also whenever I post a video, drop a comment of any video request that you might want me to create, right? And I also want to say that my teaching will base mainly on ICT concept, right? So just grab a chill pill, grab or drink, okay, a chilled drink, not a chill pill. Grab a chill drink and relax. Sit in your most comfortable, okay, oh, don't sit in the comfort zone, just sit comfortably, right? Grab a chilled drink and let's vibe, all right? Once again, I am Grace Oba-Ogbonna and you are welcome to the channel. Thank you.